Okay, y'all. So, glueless. Who would have ever thought? But I'm liking it. Um, I had to go out to the store to pick up some stuff, and of course, I had my mask on. So that might have been, because the mask kind of pulled down here. So I just kind of felt a little uncomfortable because I thought like maybe my wig was sliding back. But I don't know. Other than that, just being around the house, no problems. I like it. The snug is tight. Um, I can take it off and put it back on when I need to. So I'm liking it a little bit. But yeah, this is completely glueless. Wow. And this unit that I'm wearing is, again, one of my older wigs that I had before I went to just strictly raw hair. So I think this is probably a Peruvian body wave or something like that. But even when I was buying AliExpress hair, I was very, very lucky. I might have got maybe, I guess I've been wearing wigs since 2002, and I've been purchasing my hair through AliExpress. I started off, of course, beauty supply hair, and then I went through AliExpress, and now I just go directly to the individual owners that have their own product that they're selling. And never ran into a dud, maybe twice. I say throughout all of this, I might have had 2 units that were duds. But yeah, I just wanted to come on, do a quick video just to tell you guys I was feeling with doing the glueless bit. And I'm really, 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 really surprised. But, all right. Here's the back of the hair. And this hair has a lot of body, nice movement to it. So it's not stiff or anything like that. So, yeah. Very lightweight. I put wand curls in this hair. Today is Tuesday. So I put wand curls in the hair on Sunday. And yeah, they're still there. They dropped somewhat, but still good. So I can take it off and recurl it, which is probably what I'm going to do tonight. So yeah, bye y'all.